So what is the first thing that you do when you wake up? You drink hot water with honey, or you go for apple cider vinegar to make sure you burn the fat. Just kidding man, we don't do all that jadoo tona shit. वो सब नहीं करते यहाँ पे. नींबू, मिर्च, honey, वनी, no. Just drink water when you wake up. And I tell you what, if you're planning to track your progress, this is the best time to do. As soon as you wake up, right before drinking water, because water does add weight, which is temporary weight. Don't be scared. So it's a lovely day. It's not too bright. It's not too dark. It's somewhere in the middle. Just like intermediate people who get stuck between bulk and cut. Anyways, so Sunday है आज और मैं सोचा घर बैठता हूँ, make a nice video for you guys with a detailed explanation. You guys must be thinking, अरे क्या Natty Senpai, you don't have any friends or what? Sunday को you're doing this shit, you don't go out, you don't meet people. Oh well, I tell you what, you are my friends. Stick around, see how I do things, how intermittent fasting helps you. As a lot of you guys know, intermittent fasting does have a lot of benefits, like taking care of your heart issues, taking care of insulin resistance, and also type 2 diabetes. But why am I doing it? It's because of the convenience factor, and it helped me cut down weight so easily. I'm going to give you an entire timeline of today's day, what I eat, when I eat, and how I make the most out of intermittent fasting as a tool to cut down fat. I'll give you my reasoning, my logic, see if it fits you, see if you are able to resonate with it. और अगर आपको लगता है कि if I make sense, ठीक है, try it. If I don't make sense, ठीक है, don't try it. Simple as that. Why do I drink black coffee? Simple सी बात है. Out of boredom. Out of boredom, you tend to eat stuff that you don't want to eat. Out of boredom, you also start smoking. I've seen this a lot, especially in corporate culture. लोग फालतू में बाहर जाते हैं just to have चाय पकोड़ा or a sutta. But I mean, I'm not against it. Do whatever you want. It's your life. But अगर नहीं करना है, don't do it just because you're bored. So this is where, for me personally, black coffee helps, because आप पानी कितना पियोगे? After a point, you need some sort of flavor. So this is where black coffee kicks in. What's the next stop? Alright, we have 2 hours और intermittent fasting बढ़िया चल रहा है. How do you kill 2 hours? Come to the gym. Simple as that. Roided fuckers will tell you that आप भूखे पेट वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते हैं. Carbs चाहिए वर्कआउट करने के लिए. I tell you what, they are weak from the inside. That's all the drama and bullshit. You don't really need carbs every time. You don't really need fuel every time. कभी कभार जो रात को आप खाते हो, आप उसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. So the plan is to do some squats today, and we are going to focus on front squats. Why front squats? Because it will help with the shoulder mobility. Why shoulder mobility? Because अगर shoulder mobility better हुई, उसका मतलब ये है कि you'll have better normal conventional squats. Because कभी बार क्या होता है, अगर आपकी shoulder mobility अच्छी नहीं है, तो ये जो हाथ है ना, they'll tend to flare out a lot, and if they flare out, you tend to move forward. You're going to fall forward. All right, now time is to get this done. No,
एक सेकंड पॉज कट
यार कट नहीं करना यार.
फोन बज रहा है. हाँ
अरे उसे म्यूट कर दे यार. ये चलने दे.
कट एक कट तो कर ले.
मैं डालूंगा, देखते हैं.
ओह शिट.
This is how tough vlogging is. I wanted this in one shot, so yes. Alright, good enough. You don't need carbs. Rest of the workout coming in 3, 2, 1. And we are done. Let's go home, get some food. Alright, we're back home and it's around 3:45 or I'm feeling hungry as fuck. So what do? The very first thing I do is I have a handful of nuts. Q? Because you gotta make sure you have good fats in your diet on a consistent basis. But again, इसमें एक catch और है. Catch ये है कि almonds are high in caloric value. You might end up going beyond your maintenance, and this is something which not most of people want. I mean, if you want to gain mass, then yeah, have lots of nuts. But if you're someone who is planning to cut down, make sure you don't go beyond 10-15 grams. Kafi hai, utna kafi, have that on a consistent basis. And I'll show you what I'm going to eat now. Some milk, strawberries. I have one ripe, firm banana. That's what she said. Crushed ice, eggs, 100% atta bread. You must be thinking, what is this? Am I going to eat this just like this raw? No, at Natty Senpai Fitness, we make sure there is taste. Swad aana chahiye life mein. Alright, so this is how it looks like right now. However, it looked like this. Alright, I know what you guys must be thinking. How did I go from this to this? Anyways, so this is what I have. Look at the thickness. Perfect. Great. So a lot of you guys must be thinking, I don't have access to strawberry. What do? I mean, relax. It's not just about strawberries. It's about getting the calcium in. Agar strawberry nahi hai, to replace it with some other seasonal fruit. ठीक है? अभी strawberry का month है, so we are going with strawberry. उसके अलावा I have some scrambled eggs. You must be wondering, what's with the consistency? How do they look so perfectly moist yet firm at the same time? It's because the key secret is to add a little bit of milk while you're steaming them. एक और यूट्यूबर को जानता हूँ जो ये सेम चीज़ मुझसे कॉपी करता है. He goes by the name of Gordon Ramsay. Yeah. So anyways, I've added some butter as well because we are not scared of butter. Sure, you compensate for it. You work out on a consistent basis with the right optimal efficiency. This meal should do me good for the next 2 hours. I'll see you again in the next 2 to 3 hours, around 7ish maybe. Alright, it's around 8 o'clock and what are we doing? We are boiling some chicken. But darna mat. I'm not going to have chicken and boiled rice because it's not 2005. The whole plan is to have something which you enjoy and you can have it on a daily basis. So basically you'll get to know when the chicken is properly boiled. Poke करके देख लो, पता चल जाएगा. ठीक है. And what else do I have? I have some chopped onions, tomatoes, a baguette. Well, if you don't have this, just use normal brown bread. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Some cheese, if you can avoid it. If you are one of those guys who I don't eat cheese, it's fattening. And some mint chutney. It's just basically mint, dhania, and some curd blended together. Nothing else. अगर ये नहीं आपके पास, you can probably get one of those Viva sauces. I would suggest a better replacement, which is sweet onion sauce from Viva. Try that. Alright, all you need to do is just saute onions and garlic for 5 minutes. That's it. Best part about this meal is ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं है. Overall 15 से 16 मिनट लगेंगे, उससे ज़्यादा लगेंगे. Let's take a bite. Subway fail is इसके सामने. Best part is it's loaded with chicken. I've added 150 grams of chicken in it, whereas Subway adds only 60 grams. Stay hydrated. I'm sure you must have heard this line over and over again. हर कोई ये बोलता है, stay hydrated. But nobody will tell you why. This is where Senpai comes into picture. So, number one, it's going to help your body with its efficiency. You're going to feel better. You'll even look better. Your skin is going to look as good as mine. The main reason to have lots of water during fasting is because आपको भूख नहीं लगेगी, सिंपल है। आप कम खाना खाओगे, instead you'll be full with water, and in that process you'll be in a calorie deficit. Alright, it's almost 10:45 and time to have the last meal of the day. What is it? It's broccoli chicken. And broccoli chicken सुन के डर मत जाना, it's not going to be that basic. It is going to taste good. Let me show you what I'm going to have. Look at the chicken. Tender as fuck. और उसके अलावा ब्रोकली सिर्फ उबाल के नहीं डाली मैंने, ब्रोकली और चिकन को दोनों सॉटे किया है, थोड़ा सा तेल डाला है और उसके ऊपर सीजनिंग करी है, लिटिल बिट ऑफ लाइम, जस्ट स्क्वीज इट। ओह शिट, नींबू डाल के अलग ही स्वाद आ जाता है, मज़ा आ जाता है। आई मीन दैट्स द होल पॉइंट ऑफ having a nice sustainable diet. My point being here, अगर आप खाने को enjoy कर रहे हो, you're going to have it for the longer run because it's not sprint, it's a marathon. We're done. One key benefit of intermittent fasting is you're in a calorie deficit because मैंने पहला मील 3:30 बजे खाया था. I make sure that deficit is compensated by something really nice, sweet. So let's end the day on a really nice and sweet note. Alright, look at what I have. So this is basically grapes, bananas, and I have some blueberry yogurt from Mother Dairy. Trust me, Mother Dairy is underrated. ये कुछ rocket science नहीं, very simple. I'm going to take this, add it onto my bananas and grapes. Look at this. This looks great, right? होने से पहले अगर ऐसा एक मील मिल जाए, और क्या चाहिए आपको? You wouldn't be craving anything at all. Trust me. Too good. So yeah, I'm going to end the video right over here. So मैंने लगभग 8 घंटे मैंने खाना खाया है और 16 घंटे फास्टिंग किए. It's around 10:50. I had my first meal at 3:45 something. So I fasted for 16 hours and this was my last meal, which was epic. कौन कहता है कि 6 packs लिए आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी? You don't have to sacrifice anything. I think it's all about smartly approaching your food. I have not taken any protein shake because मुझे लग रहा है फालतू में सप्लीमेंट में पैसा क्यों खर्चा करना. Whereas yes, I do use supplements. 2 supplements that I'm using right now. Number 1, creatine. Big fan of creatine. And number 2, fish oil because I'm in the north side of India. यहाँ fish नहीं मिलती. Simple as that. Alright, video पसंद आई like करो and do share it to someone who's planning to get into intermittent fasting or is considering it. Also use the comment section. जो queries है जो भी है नीचे डालो comment section में, whatever you want. Should I count my macros to my opinions on ripped jeans? So whatever it is. And for those of you who are stuck in a limbo, who can't decide which diet is the best for me, I would just tell you one thing. For starters, just count what's going inside your body and you'll be sorted, man. Relax.